We were there from the beginning, from the construction of this Minneapolis apartment building, through each unfolding chapter in the lives of the young couples who first called it home, young couples who became families, young families who grew, celebrated milestones, and moved on, making way for new families. We were there through it all, silently providing fire and sound control, so each family could focus on what was truly important: living life. Gyp-Crete was only the beginning. Then life happened. Today, that Gyp-Crete floor is in need of repair. Maxxon's Multifamily EZ Renovation System makes multi-unit residential floor repairs as easy as 1, 2, 3. Maxxon Fortify Primer installs easily, strengthening the surface of old gypsum underlayments. A Maxxon EZ underlayment provides a smooth, floor goods ready surface, while also ensuring the floor maintains its UL fire rating. To achieve sound code with modern flooring trends like LVT, extra sound control may be needed. Acousti-Top adds sound control without adding to the height of the floor. Traditional repair methods require choosing between extensive downtime and a temporary fix that will need to be repeated with each flooring change. With Maxxon's Multifamily EZ Renovation System, building owners and property managers can reduce turnover time by up to 9 days, while avoiding lost rent and tenant rehousing costs. Tenants can get back to day-to-day life, and flooring contractors can focus on the satisfaction of a job well done with a warranted system backed by the most trusted name in multifamily construction. Gyp-Crete was only the beginning. Then life happened. Count on Renovation by Maxxon for maintenance solutions for the life of your building.